Hey guys, my name is DJ Scars, and I'm going to be doing.
My quality's way better than yours.
I'm going to be doing weird sounds, which will probably weird you guys out.
Subscribe to my channel, COD Project.
Yeah,
background.
This is
White PG.
This is the COD Project.
Background White PG.
Go subscribe to him. Yeah, he's making some videos right now.
I'll even
actually.
this is what my channel.
This is his channel, so you could go check out his channel. It's pretty cool.
Yeah, 4 subscribers.
Please subscribe to him because, well, yeah.
Subscribe to Ripped Robbie. He's better than me.
Ripped Robbie.
Ripped Robbie.
Awesome.
He's awesome.
He's a modder.
He's a mod troller.
He's an awesome mod
He
troller.
was probably one of my favorite YouTubers
Now,
since the start of
how about we shut that all out of the way?
Don't do it! I didn't want you to record that much.
And so, let's get to the weird sounds. Okay, so the first sound is when I grab my lips like this.
Okay.
And I go. Okay, and the second one is where I grab. It's like the same, but I grab my bottom lip, and I go. Yeah. So yeah, there's that. And
Hey, look at me.
also there's this.
Look at my Xbox.
Oops. I do this.
Hey, look at my TV for a minute.
Wait.
Guys, look at my TV. Guys, I have 30 achievements for Minecraft.
Ah!
I have 30 achievements.
I got more.
Yeah. Probably more than 30 achievements for Minecraft. There's no way you do. You're not that good at Minecraft.
Mhm.
No, you just have so many games. That's how you have so much gamers.
No. Go on Minecraft. Go on my Minecraft stuff.
Achievements?
Yeah, and this. So yeah, hope you guys laughed at this video. Please subscribe down. Please subscribe and subscribe to the COD Project.
I have 2 more.
yeah.
Look, I have 2 more achievements than you in Minecraft, and then look, I have 10 more gamer score than you on it. Tar Hero, I didn't even play that game. You play so many games. That's why you have so much like gamer score.
So yeah, please subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Hope you got. Bye, DJ Scars out.